Hello, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. I see from your request you're trying to fit this post-LASIK patient with a scleral designed lens. One of the concerns or one of the problems we have with a design like this, especially when you're in RSIM is going to look at the overall average of that cornea and try to interpret or try to extrapolate some kind of peripheral data based on that average corneal curvature. And since this cornea is so unique, it usually lends to a little bit of an error in what Wave may perceive as the landing area for this lens. So although your lens looks great on this design, it may run into some challenges for fitting. So if you're going to stay in a scleral lens, I would probably go larger, and maybe even consider switching over to freeform. That may give Wave a chance to sort of pick up a little bit of this design here. I find though, from personal experience, a lot of these patients do just well with just a very large diameter on corneal lens, about 11 to 11.5 millimeters. That allows Wave to look at this topography more specifically. I always go freeform, and that'll give you a kind of a reverse geometry on cornea design. I've also been very successful with a mini-scleral, kind of the 14 diameter, but using a little different fitting approach. If you use the Wave 8-point fitting protocol, and I attached a email with a nice tutorial on that with email. If you follow that protocol, you'll find that you can get a reverse geometry looking lens that does fit at about 14 millimeters, and a lot of these lenses tend to be very, very comfortable. So in this particular design, I chose to set the back surface optic zone at about 660 and the blue dot at about 870. And then I set it about 14 millimeters. I designed using tools, and then using the tips in the 8-point step, I adjusted the central clearance as well as the blue dot to leave some clearance in the superior meridian and inferior meridian, and setting that pink dot at about the 20 micron line going around. Sometimes you have to adjust that in each meridian individually. So with that approach, I think you might find this a little bit more of a successful fit and probably a little bit more comfortable overall. So with that said, I wish you well with this case. These can be very challenging. Don't get discouraged, but good luck, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. Have a great day.